Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2011 Subaru Outback, and in this video I'll show you how to take off your rear door panel. It's a very simple procedure. It's gonna be a very quick video. I'm gonna open the door and let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, what we have to have two screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips. And first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open these caps. There's one cap here, another cap right there. When this lid is open, we open this lid right here, like this. Behind these both lids there are screws, so we have to take these out. So get a Phillips screwdriver and remove 1 and 2. Okay, so screws are out. Next step, we will unclick the door panel from the door. Thing is, right now it's being held down by clips all around the perimeter, so we'll find some point where it's nice to grab on the panel, like here. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys here, hope you can see it, and we're just gonna try to unclick one of the clips. Here we go, and then little by little working our way around the whole panel. Okay, here we go. That's it. Right now we can just raise up the panel and slide it off the window like this. Slide it out. 2 hands would be easier. Okay, here we go. Here we have links. Let's just pull out like this and like this. Pull links out. On the bottom, another one. Here we have connector. It's easier to do it with a screwdriver. Just get your screwdriver, press this piece right here, middle, press on it, and the connector should come out. That's how you take the panel off. Sometimes it might happen that the clip stays in hole. Here comes out from the panel. In this case, you just take the clip out and put it back in place in the panel. So right now you have access to the speaker, window regulator, window motor, glass, or whatever you have to do on it. Do your maintenance, and then when you have to put everything back together, it's the same exact reverse procedure. Connect the connector. Connect links. And slide the panel. Slide it like this. Push you guys here. Hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna slide the top on. Okay, that's it. You slide the top on. It goes back in place. Make sure there is no gap here. It happens, and if it's good, it's good. Here we align clips, so you have to find a clip and a hole, press on it and tap it. It just gets in the position. Easy, like this. Here you make sure you have holes aligned. Okay, if you do, then you put back screws. And after you put back screws, you just close lids by pressing on them. And that's it. That's the whole procedure. So guys, if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.